Are you looking for a tactical belt? This 3-in-1 system belt. So you've got an inner stability belt that threads through your pant loops, and then the outer tactical belt locks on top with a heavy-duty clip. The nylon is rugged but still breathable, and the padding makes a big difference during long wear. Once this thing is tightened, it does not move. We've walked, lifted, bent down, zero slipping. It has 4 reinforced D-rings so you can clip on holsters, tools, and pouches, whatever you need quick access to. If you're an operator, hunter, laborer, or just need real load-bearing support, this belt is 100% worth it. Solid build, comfortable, and built to last. There is no sagging with this belt whatsoever and has complete versatility.